3M roof tape. We'll use just this cable for the roof. To just clear of any kind of debris. Got an extra loop over here for service. Don't want to be too short on that. Stick tape, two-sided. Got a three-sided sticky side. Try to get this as straight as we can. A little extra here. Cut that just a little bit shorter. All you got to do is score it on the outer coating. It'll pull right away. We'll take that, peel off that outer skin, and go ahead and get out all those air bubbles and seal that, squeeze it down a bit tight. That should be good.